Hi guys, today in this video we're gonna see how to print the factorial of any number. So the factorial of a number is the product of every positive number occurring before the original number. So for example, the factorial of 3 is 1 into 2 into 3. The factorial of 4 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So first of all, let's take any number n which is equal to 5, let's say. Then we define another variable, for example, fact, which is equal to 1. Because after um, when the loop runs, we will store the value of the factorial in this variable fact. So, and now let's create a for loop for I in range. So now we need the range to be from 1 to 5. So what we will do will take is 6, because if we put 6 over here, then the uh, latest value of I will be 5 and not 6. So we take 6, put a colon. Now we say fact is equal to fact multiplied by I. And then outside the loop, we say print fact. So what happens here is the value of n is 5. Therefore, we took 6 in the outermost, I mean, the end point of the range is we took 6. So the range stops at 1 to 5. And then we say that fact is equal to fact multiplied by I. So when the code runs for the first time, the value of fact is 1. So 1 multiplied by I. So and in the first loop, the value of I will be 1. So the value of fact becomes 1. When the loop runs for the second time, the value of I increases to 2. Then the value of fact becomes 1 into 2, that is 2. The third time, I becomes 3 and fact is 2 to 2 into 3, that is 6. And this way, at the end, we will get the factorial of the number. And let's run this code. As you can see, the factorial of 5 is 120, which is correct. So now we can say n is equal to int input enter number, and in the range we say n plus 1. Now, so this code is now valid for every positive number. And one more thing, that factorial is not defined for negative numbers. So if we put a negative number, then I don't know what happens. Let's check what happens. Minus 1. Okay, it's 1. Let's say minus 5. It's 1. So as you can see, the factorial of a negative number is not defined. So this is it for the video today. If you liked it, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.